Just a quick video of my upgrades I did for my handles. I made this and I bored a 5/8 hole in the middle of it and put a piece of brass in it and faced it off just because I thought it would look kind of nice. Brass handles. And I did the same with this. And these work a lot nicer than the original handles, especially this one. I made this out of steel for my quick change post. Knurled it. That works good. Now I just got to make a couple more handles, one for the tailstock and for the cam lock, and one for my high-low gear that'll stick up so I could reach it. Yeah, these little mini lathes sure do nice work. I really enjoy this lathe. Thanks for watching.